Betelgeuse, the brilliant red star located on the shoulder of Orion's mighty warrior figure, has recently been showing unusual behavior that has captivated astronomers and sparked widespread curiosity. Known for its striking appearance and significant size, Betelgeuse's recent fluctuations in brightness have generated increasing excitement and speculation about its fate. Some researchers believe these changes may signal that the star is nearing the end of its life, possibly leading to a spectacular supernova event. However, despite the interest and theories, the exact timeline for when this might occur remains uncertain, and experts are still working to understand the nature of these strange variations. Join us as we delve into the mystery of Betelgeuse and explore the current state of this fascinating celestial body. For those of you eager to stay updated on the latest discoveries from the universe and its cosmic neighbors, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and activate the notification bell. By doing so, you'll never miss the next cosmic update as we unravel the mysteries of the stars and beyond. Although you may not be on a first-name basis with Betelgeuse, it's likely that you've seen this magnificent star shining brightly in the sky. It is a glowing reddish that stands out boldly in the constellation of Orion, one of the most recognizable patterns in the night sky. Even if you've never studied astronomy, Betelgeuse's conspicuous glow would have caught your eye at some point. But what's even more fascinating is that this celestial giant is not just any star. It is an enormous red supergiant, one of the largest known stars in our galaxy. To put Betelgeuse's size into perspective, if we were to place it at the center of our solar system, its outer edges would extend well beyond the orbit of Mars. To imagine a star so large that it would engulf planets beyond the Earth's orbit is both awe-inspiring and humbling. This immensity makes Betelgeuse one of the most easily observed stars in the night sky. In fact, due to its size and relatively close proximity to our planet, Betelgeuse has become a favorite subject of study among astronomers who are keen to understand the processes that govern the life cycles of massive stars. Betelgeuse is classified as a semi-regular variable star, meaning its brightness changes over time. This variability is part of the star's natural life cycle as it moves through different stages of evolution. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life, and its instability is a sign that it is heading towards its final collapse. In fact, it is believed that Betelgeuse will eventually end its life in a dramatic supernova explosion, a phenomenon that occurs when a star of such size exhausts its nuclear fuel and collapses under its own gravity, releasing an immense amount of energy. While astronomers have long known about Betelgeuse's variable behavior, its recent fluctuations have become particularly intriguing. In recent years, Betelgeuse has exhibited unexpected changes in brightness that have left scientists both fascinated and puzzled. One of the most notable events was the Great Dimming, a phenomenon that occurred between 2019 and 2020. During this period, Betelgeuse experienced a dramatic decrease in its brightness, which was widely observed and captured by telescopes around the world. This rare event caused the star to fade significantly, leading to widespread speculation about what might be happening inside the star. The Great Dimming was a turning point in our understanding of Betelgeuse, and it triggered a renewed interest in the star. Following this event, Betelgeuse's brightness began to fluctuate even more unpredictably. In some instances, it brightened significantly, with increases in luminosity that were as much as 50% greater than its normal state. Such dramatic changes are not typical for Betelgeuse, which usually follows a relatively stable cycle of brightness fluctuations. But the most astonishing event occurred on May 20, 2023, when the BetelBots Twitter account, which monitors the star's behavior using data from the American Variable Star Observing Association, reported an unprecedented 142% increase in brightness. This sudden and extraordinary surge in luminosity further deepened the mystery surrounding the star's erratic behavior. According to Andrea Dupree, an astrophysicist at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, Betelgeuse's brightness has increased so much that it now ranks as the 7th brightest star in the night sky. This is a notable jump from its usual position as the 10th brightest, and it has prompted astronomers to take a closer look at the star's activity. In the southern hemisphere, Betelgeuse can be easily spotted in the sky at dusk, where it glows with a distinct reddish hue. It is located on the shoulder of Orion, which makes it relatively easy to find, even for amateur stargazers. In the northern hemisphere, Betelgeuse is also visible as the days get shorter and the nights grow longer. Whether you're an experienced astronomer or just a casual observer, Betelgeuse's presence in the sky is impossible to miss. One of the most fascinating aspects of Betelgeuse is that it offers us a unique opportunity to witness the final stages of a massive star's life cycle in real time. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is undergoing rapid and intense changes, and studying its behavior can provide valuable insights into what happens to stars before they explode as supernovae. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for astronomers, as such a detailed study of a red giant star in its final stages has never been possible before. Betelgeuse's variability offers a rare window into the processes that occur when a star is nearing the end of its life. As the star's core runs out of fuel, it undergoes a series of nuclear fusion reactions that create heavier elements, including carbon, oxygen, and eventually iron. These elements play a crucial role in the star's evolution, but once iron is formed, the fusion process halts, and the star becomes unstable. It begins to collapse under the force of its own gravity, which causes the outer layers to be ejected in a spectacular explosion, one that can outshine an entire galaxy for a brief period of time. In recent months, Betelgeuse has shown signs of increasing brightness in an even more dramatic fashion. It's been suggested that, when the time comes for Betelgeuse to undergo its supernova explosion, it could shine so brightly that it might even be visible during the day. The light emitted by the explosion could be so intense that it would cast shadows in the middle of the night. This rare event, which may occur within our lifetimes, has captivated the imaginations of both amateur astronomers and professionals alike. Despite the excitement and speculation surrounding Betelgeuse's behavior, it is important to remember that predicting the exact moment of a star's collapse is a difficult and uncertain task. As of now, no one knows when Betelgeuse will explode. However, scientists have been closely monitoring its fluctuations, hoping to gather as much data as possible before the event occurs. Given that Betelgeuse is located approximately 650 light-years away from Earth, we will have the opportunity to witness its final moments in great detail, assuming the explosion happens within a time frame that overlaps with human lifetimes. Heidi Morris, a scientist at Los Alamos National Laboratory and president of the Astronomy Club, has pointed out that the growing interest in Betelgeuse is a testament to the star's remarkable behavior. People have been fascinated by the changes in its brightness for many years, and the recent surge in interest is a sign of just how significant these fluctuations are. Even in ancient times, cultures such as the Australian Aborigines and the Greeks noticed patterns in the brightness of stars like Betelgeuse, although they had no idea of the scientific processes behind these changes. Typically, Betelgeuse's brightness cycle lasts about 400 days, but the recent fluctuations have occurred at a much faster rate, with brightness changes happening every 130 days. This accelerated pattern of variability began in 2019 after the star experienced a violent expulsion of its outer atmosphere. This ejection of material, which may have been caused by internal processes, marked the beginning of the irregular behavior that has been observed since then. The question remains, does this erratic behavior indicate that Betelgeuse is on the verge of a supernova explosion? According to a recent paper by Dupree and other scientists from Harvard and the University of California at Berkeley, it could be another 5 to 10 years before Betelgeuse returns to its normal brightness cycle. The authors suggest that the star has not been the same since the Great Dimming event and has shown significant changes in both luminosity and radial velocity. These findings suggest that Betelgeuse is currently undergoing a rapid evolutionary process, and it may be in the final stages of its life. As a red giant star, Betelgeuse is in the process of fusing helium into carbon in its core. This fusion process is one of the key steps in the evolution of a star of Betelgeuse's size, and it ultimately leads to the formation of heavier elements like oxygen and iron. These elements play an important role in the star's collapse when it can no longer sustain nuclear fusion. Eventually, Betelgeuse will undergo a supernova explosion, and the resulting shockwave could lead to the formation of either a black hole or a neutron star. The exact timing of Betelgeuse's death remains uncertain, but it is clear that we are witnessing a star in the final stages of its life. Betelgeuse's dramatic changes in brightness and its status as a red supergiant have made it an invaluable subject for study. By observing its behavior, scientists hope to gain a better understanding of the processes that occur when a massive star nears the end of its existence. Experts like Professor Peter Gower from the University of Portsmouth, who specializes in the study of supernovae, have noted that predicting when a star will explode is an extremely difficult task. There is no reliable method for determining the exact moment of a supernova, which is why the uncertainty surrounding Betelgeuse's future remains so high. In fact, very few supernovae have been observed in human history, making it even more challenging to predict when one will occur. Despite the uncertainty, the prospect of witnessing Betelgeuse's supernova explosion is an exciting one. For now, astronomers continue to monitor the star closely, hoping that their observations will shed light on the final moments of this magnificent cosmic giant. As Betelgeuse continues to shine brightly in the night sky, its unpredictable behavior serves as a reminder of the wonders and mysteries that lie beyond our planet. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated on the latest cosmic discoveries. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the universe.